If you guys want to learn how to make this 30-second mask with just a plain old t-shirt, just keep watching. Hey guys, Jim Penny. I am back with another video on how to make a mask. Some of you have inboxed me and told me that you don't have rubber bands or a stapler. If you want to see what I did from paper towels, I made masks and material, go check out the link right here. This will take you to that one. But this is for you guys who don't have rubber bands, don't have a stapler. You're going to take any t-shirt, just any old t-shirt. This is perfect. You're going to put it over your head like so. Really, really quick. You're going out. Make sure the sleeves are to the side, just like this. Okay? I got Napoleon Dynamite. Oh boy. It's my daughter's shirt. This, you're going to pull up. I'm sorry if you have long hair. Tuck it in. You're going to put it like this. Okay? Just like that. You're going to take the sleeves and you're going to tie it like so. I have short arms, but this is perfect going out. Look, it covers everything. It covers your neck. It covers your face. You're protected. Wash it. Do it again. If you have a lot of shirts, you got a lot of masks. I hope this helped you guys. Give it a big old thumbs up. Talk to you later. Be safe, guys.